Hello student, welcome our YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and then SS assignment for Sanjay. And my WhatsApp number show on the PC, so contact me my WhatsApp number and hold watching my video and get step by step. So do not waste the time for student. So let's start assignment. So then move to the assignment title and then started assignment. So then move. So title of the assignment new perspective Excel 365 module 8 SAM project A. So go to the step of the assignment. So step 1 main part of the step and remaining extraction not important, so do not waste your time for student. So step 1 go to the eco income and analysis worksheet. So simply go to the Excel and then go. Okay. So next part A of the step, then apply the one data table. Okay, so part A of the step, in cell D6 enter a formula using the function, then cell reference unit sold. Okay, so go to the Excel, then select cell D6, so then put equal sign, then apply the cell reference unit sold. Okay, so then select unit sold. Okay, so next part B, in cell E6 enter a formula that using the function, then cell reference total revenue. Okay, so then select cell E6, put equal sign, then apply the cell reference total revenue. Okay, so then yes, okay. So part C. So part C is given. In cell F6, enter a formula that use the function, then cell reference total expensive. Okay, so go to the Excel, then select cell F6. So then select, put equal sign, then apply the cell reference total expensive. Okay, so then apply. Okay, so part D. In cell G6, enter a formula that use the function, then cell reference net income. Okay, so then select cell G6. So then select, put equal sign, then apply the cell reference net income. So then apply. Okay. So part E, select the range D6 up to D6 up to G16. Okay, so then G6 up to G16. So then select. Okay. Then complete the one variable data table. Then use the B6 as the column input. Okay, so go to the Excel again. Then ID select. Then go data tab. Then click the data table. Okay, then B6 as the column input. Okay, so then select B6 or type in column input. Okay, so then click OK. Okay, so next step 2, part A of the step. Create a sector with straight line chart based on the unit sold revenue and then expense in the data table, cell D5 up to F16. Okay, so go to the Excel, then select the range D5 up to F16. Okay, then go insert tab, then click the recommend chart, then select the sector chart. So then select and then apply the sector with straight line chart. So then yes, then click OK. Okay, then part B, resize the chart. Okay, so then apply the H4 up to M16. So then H4 up to ended M16. Okay, so then M16. Yes. Okay, so then C. Okay. So next step, part A of the step, use the break even point as the chart title. So simply copy the text chart title. So then go to the Excel again, then select the chart title and then simply paste. Okay, so part B, change the minimum pound of the vertical by mistake pound of the horizontal axis to 30,000. So go to the Excel, yes, then paste the title. Okay, then select the horizontal axis. So then select and then apply the minimum pound. So then apply the 30,000. So then apply. Okay, then part C, change the minimum pound of the vertical axis to 25,000, 100,000. Okay, so then simply close and then select the vertical axis. So then select and then apply the 25, 100,000. So then type the 25,100,000. Okay. So next step, step 4, part A of the step. For the range D20 up to I13, create a two variable data table. Okay, so then go to the Excel. Then select the range D20 up to I13. So then select D20 up to I13. Okay. Then part B, use the number of the units sold B6 as the column input. So then go data tab, then click data table and then apply the B7 as the line input. So then select cell B7 or type B7, then column input given B6. So then select B6. Okay, so then click OK. Okay, so part B already completed. So then part C, apply custom number, custom format to cell D20 to display the text unit divided prices. So then copy unit over price, go to Excel, then select cell D20, mouse right click, then select format cell and then apply the custom format. So then yes, then quotation mark, then paste, then delete the space, then close and then click OK. Okay, so next step, step 5, main part and remaining not important. So create a scenario using the data shown in table 1. Okay, so go to the Excel. Okay, then go insert tab, then by mistake, then go data tab, then select the scenario manager. So then select. Okay, then scenario name is given increase price. So then copy increase price, click add, then paste. Okay, then next changing cell is given B6, B7, B90, then B21. So then I will check B6, B7, B90, B21. So then delete it and then apply the comma. Okay, so then click OK. Then click OK. Okay, so then change the value unit sold 20, 37, then 37. and 500. Okay, then next, simply copy, do not waste your time, and then paste. Next, then copy, then paste, then copy, and then paste, and then copy, and then paste. Okay, so then click OK and then close. Okay, so next step, step 6, part A of the step. Use the scenario manager to create a scenario summary report. Okay, so go to the Excel, then again select the scenario manager, then select the summary report. Okay, so then result cell is given B25 up to B27. So then B25 up to B27, then click OK. So then see, okay. So part B, go to the scenario summary worksheet and then delete the column D. Okay, then column D deleted. Okay, so next step, step 7, return to the EcoPro income analysis worksheet. Okay, so then return. Okay, then create a scenario pivot table report on the 3 scenario displaying. Okay, so then again select the scenario manager and then select the summary report and then apply the scenario pivot table report, then click OK. Okay, so yes, so next step, step 8, go to the scenario pivot table worksheet. Okay, so then already go. Okay, then part A of the step, change the value field setting of the total revenue, total expensive, and then net income value to use the currency number format with no parentheses. So go, then total revenue, then apply the currency with no places, then click OK. Again OK. So next, net income, then currency number format again, then no places, then click OK. Again OK. Then again apply. Then apply the total expensive. Yes. Then apply the currency number with no places. Then click OK. Again OK. Okay. So part B, display the negative value in the red. So then value in the red for currency format. Yes. Then click OK. Again OK. Okay, so next, apply the red formatting. Okay. Then again click OK. Then select the total expensive. Then apply the red expensive. Okay. So part C, delete the filter from the pivot table. So then deleted.